Hi, I'm Melissa Gonzalez, elite artist and master colorist with Fruit Systems. And today I'm going to show you how to easily and successfully color your hair at home utilizing the new Avon Chi Essentials hair color kit. As you can see, we have our model, Bertha, and Bertha chose a French roast brown color. So we chose 504W for her. As you can see, Bertha has a few levels and tones, and she also has gray as well. So it's very important that when you start your application, you always want to start applying your color in the areas that are most resistant. This kit includes a set of instructions, bottle number 1 with peroxide, bottle number 2 with color, your applicator tip, your replenishing shampoo, moisturizing conditioner, repairing serum, plastic cap, and gloves. Unscrew and remove the cap from the application bottle number 1 and pour entire contents of bottle number 2 into the application bottle number 1. Place the applicator cap on the application bottle number 1 and remove the applicator cap cover. Hold the applicator cap tip with finger and shake to mix the color. Point away from the face when shaking. After mixing the color completely, you are ready to apply your hair color. Wear enclosed gloves. Use the color mixture on unwashed dry hair. Part hair into 4 even sections. Using the applicator tip, apply the color mixture to the root area and fully saturate it. Use only at about 2/3 of the color mixture on the root area. Leave color on root area for 20 minutes. Massage in with fingertips. After 20 minutes, apply leftover color to the remaining hair and work through with your fingertips. Massage into hair, making sure the hair is completely saturated. Gather hair loosely on top of your head. Cover with enclosed cap. Process 5 minutes for porous, damaged hair, 10 minutes for healthy hair. We're back with our model, and her hair is beautiful, shiny, and even. As you can see, this is our ending result, a beautiful, warm, dark brown color from roots to ends. If you guys can remember, she had previous tones and levels, as well as gray. So you can see how beautiful and shiny and even her color came out. All this was possible utilizing the new Chi Essentials Color Kit.